I thought I'd do another short video on the progress, or at least changes that I've made to this little 4-function single motor robot that I've been working on for quite a while. I'll show it working first. Remote. Now I'll show up close to the changes I made. In the past, it's been driven by this cam and pushrod assembly, where the cam actuates the pushrod to select which direction it goes. You can see with more details in the previous videos I made. I won't rehash all that. I decided I would try, instead of physical cams, which seems like they sometimes take more force than they should to actuate to get it to climb up this hill, I decided to try, just as an experiment, just for fun basically, using magnets. With the magnets either repel or attract the magnets that are in the push rod. Now you can see that. I'll actuate it. See if I can get something to point with here. The magnets, there's 3 magnets in the push rod, each one of these push rods, and down here on the little what used to be the cams, now they're just little magnet holders, there are when it's in the repel mode, there are 2 magnets stacked up here to give it more force, since the farther the magnets are away from each other, the less force they have. So there are 2 to repel these 3, and I'll try to get it. But when they're in attract mode, trying to pull each other together, since the closer they come together, the less force it takes. There's just one magnet here, and the same 3 here, attracting each other. That's kind of some of the stuff I've been experimenting with. I might want to just double those up to the same 2 on each one, or I'm still experimenting with it. I just thought I'd show it. I thought it was pretty interesting. I still have some problems with it. The main problem I have is sometimes the gear that this is engaging lands on top of the gear, or the gear that it's trying to engage with, and it will hang this up. I have to do some geometry changes or something on that. And some other times it seems like the gear that's on this idler wants to get jammed in between the 2. I'm not sure what I'm going to have to do to fix that. I may go to a larger gear down here so it just changes with geometry. I'm really not sure where I'm at on that. Well, that's just a little progress I wanted to show. I had to redo a lot of course, to put. Oh, I also made it easier to assemble by splitting this right here. In the past I had just a shaft running straight through this framework. Now I can actually take it apart by taking these 2 screws out and splitting that. That's for ease of assembly. Someday I hope to finish this. Not sure when. Other than that, it's pretty much the same as it has been. Same controller, same battery, Same mechanism here for doing the reversing. Well, thanks for watching.